Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Damian in Oregon on his General HP40. Damian, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune-in alignment. Start with the RF power on low, 50 watt slug. We have to set it 5 watts in case you decide to run like a 4-pill or something. You can run on the low side. 25 on the high. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 50 watts bird average in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. And that's about 130. And if you want to run on low power, you'll see 5 watts and still hello swing to that 130. But if you're just gonna run just the radio, I'd run on the high power side. It'd be nice clean audio. About 120% modulation right there. Alright, Damian, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.